In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage subscriptions in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero to review your plan, handle billing, and take important actions like purchasing, cancelling, or transferring a subscription, all without guesswork. Start by heading to xero.com in your web browser. Once you're in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. The controls we need are in the top left corner of the screen. Look for your organization's name at the very top left. That name is actually a drop-down. Click it to reveal the list of organizations you can access. If you work with more than one, take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct organization before moving on, since subscription settings are specific to each one. With the right organization active, find and click Subscriptions and Billing. This takes you to the area that summarizes your current plan and add-ons, your billing cycle, and your past invoices. It's also where you'll see the payment status and other billing details for that organization. Think of this page as your hub for everything related to your Xero subscription. Next, click Manage Subscription. This opens the management panel for the selected organization's plan. Here you'll see the key controls that let you adjust the subscription. If the page looks slightly different based on your region or user role, look for any Manage or Settings button related to the subscription card. Now locate the three dots, often called the overflow menu, near your subscription details. Click those three dots to reveal the primary actions available to you. From here, you can choose Buy Now, Cancel Subscription, or Request Transfer. Buy Now is typically used when you're moving from a trial to a paid plan, or when you're ready to commit and want to confirm the purchase. It's also where you might see options to add paid features. Review the plan details and pricing before you proceed. Cancel Subscription is there if you need to stop the service for this organization. Before you confirm, carefully read any notices about when the cancellation takes effect, whether it ends immediately or at the end of the billing period, and what happens to your data and user access. Make sure you've saved any records you might need later. Request Transfer lets you move the billing responsibility for this subscription to another party. This is useful if another company or client should own and pay for the subscription. Follow the prompts and double-check recipient details to avoid delays. That's it. You've navigated from your dashboard to the subscription hub, opened the management panel, and explored the key actions available under the three-dot menu.